Hey, I'm Alan Elmore with eXp Realty and AE Properties, and I'm going to talk to you about something called independent consideration. In real estate, this is an important topic that you're going to be hearing a lot more about. If your state hasn't already adopted independent consideration policies, you're going to be hearing about them within the next few years, I guarantee it. So essentially, there's a few things that make a contract legally binding. There's a mutual agreement of terms, so there's the offer and acceptance, so an agreement of terms, and then there is consideration, meaning each party gives up something, but independent consideration is a specific amount that binds the parties at the time the contract is created. In New Mexico, we have operated without independent consideration, but instead we've used earnest money for a long time. The thing about earnest money is during contingency periods, which are, let's say, like the inspection period, due diligence periods, right? You would call them that, or contingency periods. Inspection period, the period where you're looking for insurance for the property, working on your financing for the property, anything like that. So during those periods, the buyer has the ability to back out of the contract. The earnest money is held in escrow, usually with a title company or an attorney or something like that, and then that earnest money gets returned to the buyer. Independent consideration is going to be a non-refundable amount of money. Now, it could be anything from $1 to however many dollars they want to offer, but this money is paid directly from the buyer to the seller. It can be held in escrow, but it's not typically, and it's not typically applied to the purchase price. When I say typically, those things are negotiable, but we'll get into that in other videos, the details of it. But essentially, I write you an offer and I say, I'd like to pay you $300,000 for your home. I'm going to give you $3,000 in earnest money, which is refundable, during those contingency periods. I'm also going to offer you $300 in independent consideration. That money goes directly to the seller and is non-refundable. We'll get into this later about why it's important for buyers, why this is important for sellers, and how realtors need to approach this. Anyway, that's your intro to independent consideration.